Alright, guys, so I'm so tired. Today was my day at cosmetology. I had fun. Like, it was fun. We had Papa John's pizza. We just talked about what we're gonna do. We made a vision board. It wasn't anything like crazy. I shared my vision board. We took pictures at the end, and it was fun. Hold on, Bubba. It was fun or whatever, but I guess I could do it while doing this little unboxing, a story time. I'm doing this unboxing. Okay, guys, so this is my order. I'm only counting my business. So, I'm going to have Bubba unbox this.
Okay, you got box it.
Oh, Lord, he put the cookies on my bed. Okay, Bubba. You got my box.
Because me can box it?
Yep, you can unbox it, Bubby.
Make mine slippery.
It's slippery, Bub.
Oh, me got cookies on my hand.
Okay, well, him got cookies on his hands. That's how he talks. He got cookies on his hands, guys, so let me just help him out. And I'll come back to y'all when I get it. Alright, football, what's inside of here? What's in there, Bubby? What's in there? What's that? What's that?
Your
Perfect.
phone.
That's my phone, Bubba. Perfect. This is exactly what I was.
That's a
852 though. I don't got an 852.
That's a case.
I was looking for 32. That's a what, Bubba?
That's a case.
That's a case, duty.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Okay, now we're gonna try it out on my guys, this is what the case was like. It is so cute. I think I did a great. This is a really good pic. But I have a A32. What is this? Oh, just something just to keep. Thank you, guys. But I have an A32. I don't know if it's gonna fit the same or what. I was meant to get an A32, but it's not giving A32. I mean, it said A30. It is giving A32, but it's not. It didn't say A32. It said A52, and so I don't know. I'm scared, but we're gonna see.
Okay,
So this is my previous case, and I'm gonna show you guys.
I can't get a doggy.
I'm gonna show you guys what it
I
looks like.
can't get a doggy.
Okay, guys, so it doesn't fit.
Why?
It's too big, Bubby. The phone is too big.
Okay.
It doesn't fit the case. Alright, guys. I'm going to get my money's worth and I'm going to make it fit, okay? So I just kind of like, I forced it. Look, Bubba said he got his money. So I just forced it in there. And it looks pretty good. It doesn't look crazy.
I can't get a
It
toy.
has a little bump, but that's about it. Now we're going to do this part and see how it looks. Alright, guys, so it does not fit, but I made it fit.
It's pretty.
I didn't know the Samsung 51 was a thing. Honestly, I really didn't know that was a thing. But I'm just going to close it in more to make it at least look like it fits. What did you say, Papa?
You got it. Oh, that one don't fit.
Do that fit, Bubba?
Does it fit?
It doesn't fit, Bubby.
Yes, I do. It don't fit. It don't fit.
Mm-mm. It don't fit on the phone, Bubba.
Okay.
It's too little.
Oh, we're going to try a different one.
We're going to try a different one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Me gonna cut it.
You going to cut it, Bub?
Yeah.
You can't cut it, Bubby. Don't cut it. It don't fit it, Melody.
Oh. We're gonna try a different one.
Try a different one.
Yeah.
Okay. So, guys, it does not fit. It won't even let me turn it on and off or up and down.
Yeah,
It
me.
does not fit.
Me.
Yeah, guys, you heard me. This beautiful, glamorous case does not fit. I'm annoyed. But I'm going to just either replace it or sell it or get a refund somehow. But it doesn't fit. It's like 1 inch off, and it was so nerve-wracking. But since you made it this far, thanks for watching my video unboxing with Bubba. Thank you. Make sure you like and subscribe. And thanks for watching me on Life as Alana.